So today I'll be leveraging the Talk-To-Bodhi agent on the Bodh scientific platform to explore my R&D project and design future experiments. In this project, I'm creating new consumer products and their packaging, including liquid body washes, hair colors, and refill packaging. Here I've been tasked with exploring new hair color variations. And sustainability is a key focus for us, for which we need to find eco-friendly formulations and packaging. All of this context I fed to the project, as you can see here, including the right literature. And I've set up 3 experiments with 3 trials each, where I'm screening, optimizing, and selecting the right candidates. All of the experimental data I have is stored within trials in an AI-aware custom spreadsheet component that is unique to this platform. So I'll now use the Talk-To-Bodhi agent to see how this agent can use experimental data, context awareness, and literature to meet our research goals. So let's load up a new session. I'll start simple. I'll ask Bodhi to summarize this entire project for me. So in a couple of seconds, I've got the full R&D storyline telling me what each experiment and trial is testing and why. So now I'll push further. I'll ask Bodhi to compare color strength and processing time in the hair color to new ones made using oxidative dye pathways discussed in the attached papers. And while the agent is answering, I'll open up the knowledge base panel on the right. So this agent actually reads through all the project context like metadata, experimental data, and attachments. And then this gets shown here when uploaded and is used to answer our questions. So in the answer, I can see that I've got direct references to the attached literature and the experimental data. The Bodhi agent is actually tying our trial parameters to the mechanism described in the paper and explaining how our metrics compare to the ideal ranges. And this source tooltip just showed a direct citation to the oxidative hair dye document. So next I'll ask Bodhi to design a future experimental system, one that unifies body wash chemical testing with packaging stability. So here I can see that Bodhi has reused our current data model of measuring foam, cleaning efficacy, and seal strength, and recommends new data to capture based on the uploaded protocols. Now I've got a new workflow and a checklist of what to capture next, so I'll be sharing this with the team. Next, I'll try and get the agent to do a more complex task. I've asked for a cross-experiment analysis that tells me where each insight comes from. So here Bodhi has successfully correlated multiple experiments together. It has done a good job explaining how the packaging barrier affects peroxide levels in hair color, combining information from all 3 experiments together. I also see some recommendations here that increase stability across hair colors, so this is exactly what I was looking for. Now I'll see if the agent can think beyond my data. I'll ask about which industry leaders are shifting to eco-friendly cleansers and ammonia-free hair colors. Great. So from the answer, it seems that P&G, L'Oreal, and Unilever are the drivers of this change. This agent gives additional information on consumer-focused innovations as well. So this was a quick way for me to pressure test my roadmap and my priorities against the industry.